Hello, hello. This is the My Artifact episode number 4087. Today's date is 5th of June 2026. Okay, from last couple of days means like that. Ki yesterday I did record Artifact, but actually, okay, what exactly happened now? Right now I'm actually suffering from uh, like some sort of ulcer in my mouth. I don't know what exactly word it first says, like a chale pad gaye muh mein. Okay, this is kind of like some the word that we use. Tondala phora, like a phoda or something like that. So because of this, I cannot able to be eat. I cannot able to be talk. Okay. So that's why I decided that not to record Artifact, because like it's kind of like a pain a lot. But right now I'm kind of like a feel really good. Since this morning it's been okay. It's not really like a fix. Still I have a little bit pain. But right now I just kind of like a somehow do my like a mithacha par, like a salt water rinse. Okay, yeah. And because of this thing it kind of like a feel little bit of good. So basically is this thing that today's artifact is because of that key, like today, like okay, let me tell you one thing now. Probably it might gonna take another day, means that means tomorrow. So tomorrow I might gonna record, probably like a I am kind of like a waiting for full recovery, because right now I just did this kind of like a salt water like mithacha पाण्याच्या गुरल्या. I don't really have English word for that. Okay, so I just did that mithacha पाण्याच्या गुरल्या. So because of this thing I'm kind of like a feel good. That's why I'm kind of like a recording Artifact at the moment. But basically it's this thing that every time it's not really that situation. It's just very difficult to talk and very difficult to eat too. But right now I'm feeling really good because of this mithacha panacha gurल्या. Okay, so I am wanted to kind of like record Artifact. So yeah, let's record. Okay, so basically is this thing that I didn't really tell you regarding about the my app situation. Okay, like right now I'm actually building my application, my Artifact, and basically it's this thing that I am kind of like a progress a lot. I'm actually building my application through Android Studio, and thank God I have this Android Studio agent, AI agent by the way, which is kind of like a really helping me to build my application. Okay, which is really good. Okay, so I almost build my entire application, but it has a lot of error, almost like a 1500 error I found. 1500 the error, the red error, the orange error are like the yellow error are almost like a more than 10,000. Okay, so there is a lot of error I found. So I have to fix all those error, and that's a kind of like a really very big problem, because I have to be solve this error. My app is actually functioning, but there is still a lot of error. I have to fix those error too. Okay, now my plan is that how much time it take to kind of like a fix the error. Well, my app is already done. I already implemented everything. Okay, the editing feature I didn't really implemented, just a basic review system. Okay, beside that everything is actually done. Username, privacy, everything actually sort out. Now I have to fix those almost like 2000 errors I got, so I have to fix those error. Okay, like a 1500 plus somehow yellow error. These are I have to fix it. And basically is this thing that how much time it take. Probably a week, yeah, to kind of like fix all those error. Thank God I already uploaded all my content on social media platform, so I don't really have to worry about that. Every day my content is actually uploading on Instagram and YouTube platform, so I'm not really worried about that. I'm actually fully focused on application building. Okay. And because of the Android agent, I'm kind of like a solving and building my application like as quickly as fast as it can, but still it is a lot of error. I have to fix those error too. Then after that, after I fix those error, then I have to be kind of like a make sure my application actually working really well. So what do I do now after that? After I fix all my error, then I have to be kind of like a install this application in my mobile phone and started using my application, started recording artifact. Let's figure it out that key what am I building. Okay, yeah, stuff like that. I have to be experienced by myself, and if I get any kind of like error while utilizing this thing, I have to fix that thing. Then it kind of like I get another error, so fix that thing too, but it's not really that much. Okay. How much time it take to build this application? Probably a month. Okay, yeah, within a month application will gonna build, and then after that I will gonna publish this application in Play Store. But there is also another problem too. Okay, that key after I build this application, so after I upload my app on Play Store, still it might gonna have some sort of error. Sorry, it like basically is this thing that na, ki, you need a kind of like a tester. Okay, yeah, like basically the Play Store have a kind of like a something rule that ki, if you wanted to publish your application, make sure that the user should supposed to be use your application for at least like 15 days every day non-stop. Okay, and after that like basically those 15 people are should supposed to be utilize your application for 15 day every day. Okay, yeah, then Play Store is actually approve this thing, and then it will kind of like a publicly publish your application. uh so this is kind of like one of the biggest bottleneck, because even if I kind of like a publish my application through on Play Store, but it will not gonna publicly it's not gonna publicly available. Okay, so there is also kind of like I found a way, a tester community, they kind of like a charge almost like a 1,000 rupees, okay, to do all those testing for you, which is also really good. Okay, yeah, they take 1,000 rupees. I think that probably I have to spend 1,000 rupees, and then my application will kind of like a publicly available. After publicly available means after my application play available in Play Store, then there is a challenge. Okay, yeah, how do I supposed to be convince people to download my application and things and that. That is one of the biggest thing. I don't know, I have to be think about the marketing point of perspective regarding about that too. uh let's see. Okay, yeah, let's like basically I'm not kind of like thinking about that too much. Like this is kind of like a very big, I'm not really thinking about the marketing right now. No, I'm actually thinking about that na ki first of all I have to fix those errors first. Almost like a almost like a 1,500 red error and almost like a 5,000 yellow error. Okay, these are like a very big error. Okay, I have to fix those error first, and then after that like basically I'm thinking about step by step. Okay, but still if I'm kind of like a looking at the point of perspective, how much time it take to publicly available on Play Store, probably it might gonna take maybe, I don't know, yeah, like I don't really think about that future. Like I think about like probably I would gonna say that ki within a maybe 1 or 2 month I will kind of like a publish my our application on Play Store publicly available. but still there is a lot of thing I have to figure it out. I have to be test myself. Is it application is actually built up? Because usually what is actually happen now, after I kind of like a satisfied, then I will kind of like utilize the application, then I realize that no, this is kind of like a something really going wrong and things and that and that. So there is a lot of stuff to figure it out. It's not really that ki just kind of like a things happen and just do it. No, it's not. So but good thing is that ki right now I'm completely focusing on building my application, because my content creation is actually kind of like a something already done. Okay, so yeah, I don't really have to worry about that. My content creation is actually uploaded till the 27th of July. Okay, so I have almost like a 2 months. Okay, yeah, like right now this is June and July. I have almost like a 2 months. I don't have to think about that content creation. I have to focus on kind of like a simply building my application. So I'm actually focusing on that. So yeah, so one of the biggest thing is that I have to fix my error first. All right. And regarding about the artifact, this mouth ulcer, I'm kind of like a simply suffering from. Might gonna fix maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, probably. All right, this is. Thank you.